Santham Academy. Welcome to Digital Kaksha. To get updates on new videos, click the subscribe button and the bell icon.
Hello everyone. As you have already studied about the substitution method of solving pair of linear equations algebraically, today we will be learning about the elimination method of solving pair of linear equations by equating the coefficients. Before starting with the method and the questions related to it, we should know how to solve the questions by elimination method. So the first step in solving the questions by using the elimination method is as follows. One variable out of two variables is eliminated by making the coefficients of that variable equal in both the equations. Since we are talking about pair of linear equations in two variables, which means that we will be dealing with two equations, as well as those two equations will be having two unknown variables. So for solving the elimination method, we will be making the coefficient of any one of the variable same in both the equations. After that, for eliminating, since we need to remove one of the variable from both the equations, and if the coefficients have opposite sign, and subtract if the coefficients have same sign. The coefficient that we have equated in the equation, if they are having the same sign, then we will be subtracting the equation, and if the coefficients are having opposite sign, then we will be adding the equation. After that, resulting equation will be in one variable. Since by doing that is addition or subtraction, we are eliminating one of the variable, so our next equation will be left only with one variable. Substitute the value of variable in any of the given equation and find the other variable. As we got the value of one of the variable, that value of variable we have to substitute in any of the given equation, and by this we have to find the value of another unknown variable. To understand elimination method better, we have to solve some of the questions related to elimination method. So, let us solve the question related to elimination method. The question is, solve 3x plus 2y equals to 8 and 2x plus 3y equals to 2 by elimination method. Since we are having two equations, so we will rewrite the equation and mark it as equation 1 and equation 2 respectively. So the first equation is 3x plus 2y equals to 8 and the second equation is 2x plus 3y equals to 2. Since we are talking about the elimination method, so let us eliminate the variable x from the given equation. The coefficient of x in the first equation is 3 and the coefficient of x in the second equation is 2. The LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. That means that we have to make the coefficient of x as 6 in both the equations. To make the coefficient x as 6 in equation 1, we need to multiply the equation 1 by 2, as 3 into 2 will be equals to 6. Similarly, to make the coefficient 6 in the second equation, we will be multiplying equation 2 by 3, as 2 multiplied by 3 will also be equals to 6. As we are multiplying equation 1 by 2, so 2 multiplied by, the first equation is 3x plus 2y equals to 8. Since this 2 is multiplied on the overall equation, so every term will be multiplied by 2. 2 3s are 6x plus 2 into 2 will be 4y equals to 2 into 8 will be equals to 16. So, we will name it as equation number 3. Now, second equation, we will multiply it by 3. As we are multiplying second equation by 3, therefore 3 into 2x plus 3y equals to 2. Here also we will multiply 3 by every term. 3 2s are, it will be 6x. 3 into 3y will be 9y equals to 3 into 2 will be 6. We will mark it as equation number 4. Now, to eliminate one of the variable from the given equation 3 and 4, we will be seeing the sign of the coefficients. As in both the equation, the variable x is positive, so we will be subtracting equation 3 and equation 4. For subtracting equation 3 and equation 4, we will be using the column method. As you can see, the variable x is having the same sign. So for subtracting, we will be changing the sign. Here it is positive 6x, so it will be converted to negative. Here it is plus 9y, it will be converted to minus 9y, and the constant 6 will be converted to negative 6. Since the variable x is having the same value but the opposite sign, so we will cancel it out. Now we will subtract 9 minus 4, the value will be 5y, but the greater number is having a negative sign, so it will be negative 5y. Again, we will be subtracting 6 from 16. So the answer will be 10. It will be positive 10 as greater number is having positive sign. Since we want the value of variable y, so we will bring this minus 5 in the denominator. Now we will simplify it. So 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. Thus the value of variable y will be minus 2. Now since we got the value of one of the variable, we will be substituting this value of variable y in any of the given equations. Let us substitute it in the equation number 1. So we will rewrite the equation 3x plus 2y equals to 8. In place of y, I will be writing the value minus 2. Therefore, 3x plus 2 into minus 2 will be equals to 8. It will be written as 3x plus minus 4 equals to 8. Since we know it very well that plus minus is minus, therefore 3x minus 4 equals to 8. Now we will be shifting this negative 4 on the right hand side. Therefore, it will be written as 3x equals to 8 plus 4. So 3x will be equals to 12. Since 3x equals to 12, we have to find the value of variable x. So the coefficient 3 will be shifted to the denominator. Therefore, x equals to 12 upon 3. Now we will be simplifying it. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. So the value of variable x will be equals to 4. So here x equals to 4 and y equals to minus 2 is the solution of the given pair of linear equations. Now we will be learning elimination method with the help of word problem. So the question is, 5 years ago Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Noori and Sonu? Here we have to find the ages of Noori and Sonu. So let us first assume the present age of Noori be x years and the present age of Sonu be y years. Now according to the question, 5 years ago, that means that before 5 years, Noori's age was x minus 5 years. We will subtract 5 from present age of Noori, and Sonu's age was y minus 5 years. Here also we are subtracting 5 from present age of Sonu. Now again according to the question, 5 years ago Noori was thrice as old as Sonu, which means that what was Noori's age before 5 years, that is x minus 5, will be equals to 3 times. Thrice means 3 times Sonu's age before 5 years, which will be y minus 5. We will be simplifying it further. Therefore, x minus 5 equals to 3 will be multiplied by y, it will be 3y, minus 3 will be multiplied by 5, that will be equals to 15. Now, we will be shifting the variables on one side and the constant on another side. So, let us shift the variables on the left hand side and the constants will be shifted on the right hand side. It will be simplified as x minus 3y equals to minus 10. We will mark it as equation number 1. 10 years later, Noori's age will be x plus 10 and Sonu's age will be y plus 10. According to the question, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. Therefore, x plus 10 equals to 2 times y plus 10. Now we will be simplifying it further. So x plus 10 equals to 2 into y will be 2y plus 2 into 10 will be 20. We will be shifting the variables on one side. Therefore, x minus 2y equals to 20 minus 10. Thus, x minus 2y equals to 10 is the second equation. We'll mark it as equation number 2. Now what you can see over here, the variable x in both the equations have the same coefficient. So we don't need to multiply the coefficients by any of the number. And the variable x is having the same sign in both the equations. Therefore, we will be subtracting equation 1 and equation 2. So by column method, let us subtract equation 1 and equation 2. will be changing the sign. This positive x will become minus x, minus 2y will become plus 2y, and plus 10 will become minus 10. Positive and negative x will be cancelled out. Minus plus is minus, therefore minus 3 and plus 2 will be minus 5 equals to minus 20. So the value of variable y is equal to 20. Since we got the value of variable y as 20, so we will substitute it in equation 1. Equation 1 is x minus 3y equals to minus 10. So in place of y, we will be writing 20 equals to minus 10. Therefore, x minus 60 equals to minus 10. Thus, we will be shifting the constant on the right hand side. So, x is equals to minus 10 plus 60. Thus, the value of x will be 50. As we got the value of the variable x and the variable y, so let us revise what we have assumed in the beginning. In the beginning, we have assumed the present age of Noori to be x years. Thus, the present age of Noori is 50 years and the present age of Sonu is 20 years. In this manner, you can find the solution of any of the given questions. I hope you understood what I have explained and you have understood the concept of elimination method of solving pair of linear equations in two variables. Thank you everyone.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more.